Hello. So I will be completing a walkthrough lab based on apps that have learning lessons and games that correlate with each lesson. So the app I'll be using today is iReady. The iReady software focuses on assessing students in mathematics and reading. So without further ado, let's get started. So on the first page, when you first log in to iReady, you'll see a few sections such as the Diagnostic Status, the Diagnostic Results, Instruction, Standards Mastery, and Diagnostic Growth. So for the Diagnostic Status, you're able to view if your students have completed their diagnostic or not. And so it'll show you right there, 0 have started, and then 0 is in process right now, and 1 is completed. And I'm sure this is because of the fact that their assessments were done in the beginning of the school year. So now let's go to the diagnostic results. So right here, after their diagnostic, they'll be placed based on what grade level they're on. So of course, right here it says mid or above grade level, early on grade level, 1 grade level below, 2 grade levels below, 3 or more grade levels below, and then of course not completed. So on here, now we have instruction. So now instruction, it's going to give you a day-by-day play of like how the student is doing with the coursework on the website. And so it'll also tell you like what they're in need of support in. So right here, for an example, it gives me a notification that 2 students with the domain have been shut off. Then another status it shows is that 2 students are needing support with the lessons that are provided on here. Okay, so now standards mastery. So now on here, it will show who mastered, what particular subject on this application or during the lessons. And now diagnostic growth, it shows, okay, the student's growth throughout the span of each lesson. All right, and so now after that, we have on here the teacher toolbox, which is instructional and material resources. Let's see. So now we have different lessons on here based on the reading levels the core reading levels. Of course, we have kindergarten right here. And let's see, all the way to I think that's it, I believe. Well, yeah, on kindergarten, I apologize. And then it goes by each grade. So then first grade over here, and then second grade as well. So it's pretty cool because they have the different lessons and games based off of the Common Core standards. Let's see, I can see that. Here we go. So now the online educator learning. So these are online courses that that are supposed to help with professional development for teachers. Okay, and so you can go on here just in case you need a little bit more training when it comes to this particular website. So we have a few courses on here that you can select, such as introducing ready mathematics, introducing Ready Mathematics, 6th grade to 8th grade, helping all learners succeed. So they have a lot of like information that you can utilize to make sure your students are getting the most support they need from the software. Okay, and so after that, we are going to now preview the learning games. So for the learning games, I teach at Cardozo Education Campus. So we have a few fun games that we could play on here, such as, let's say, play pizza, right? So it gives you an educator demo to let you know what's going on. Yeah. So let's see. And right here we could also see the playtime of the different games. And this is when you could submit like what game each student has completed. Right here. Okay. We have another game. We'll play the cupcakes. So let's get out of this. Okay, there we go. And if you're in need of assistance, because you may have a few questions regarding troubleshooting situations that are occurring, you're more than welcome to go on to iReady Connect support. And if you need to find resources, you can go on to Ready Central. Okay, so let's see what's going here. And it will be able to provide you with frequently asked questions regarding iReady. And of course, like we were saying, the tech support is down here as well. And the contact information if you are in need of additional assistance that the troubleshooting sections cannot provide for you, you can contact this number below. All right, so that is iReady. Thank you for sitting in with me as I went through the lab, and enjoy the rest of your day.